Okay, seal system repair. Taken apart for now. All the equipment over here. Nice and protected. Evaporator coil, new heat exchanger, dryer filter, and a new compressor. The coil is barely, and this is the leak. Should be all around the coil. And this is Frigidaire Gallery, built-in fridges, fridge and freezer, 2 separate units. Okay, pulled the fridge, just got behind it and found out that somebody already tried to fix it by filling with the Freon, and at this point we can see that they tried to fill it with the gas, left the piercing valve here, and yeah, this is how it looks. We'll have to replace the whole compressor. All this will have to be replaced. Alright, so this is the evaporator, nice and frosty. All the coils evenly frosted. Nice. Alright.